I got permission to ruin my sister's car. I mean, we're gonna fix it. You see, it's got a couple of small problems. Let's see how it goes. First thing, I want to see how it sounds. It warms up nice and easy. Sounds interesting. It's missing a washer fluid cap. That's fun. And then there are cracks on the bottom of this guy. I've duct taped that so far. But yeah, the washer, or the cooling reservoir isn't doing so good. This thing, PCV wire isn't working. Mechanic said that the actual valve is fine, but the wire right here is a problem. So I just wanted to test out what happens if I unplug it. It stays absolutely the same. I'm going to plug it back in, and absolutely nothing changes. Okay, so yeah, that wire is clearly doo-doo. Big bum cheeks. So, that's fun. What I'm going to do is gonna cut it in half because she took it to the mechanic and they quoted her $800 to replace the entire wiring harness that is connected to this one plug. All right, so I'm gonna kind of cut it around here so I can have as much wire connected to this plug as I can possibly use to crimp it back on. So we're gonna see if we can do this for free. All right. Yeah, you see. Now I really don't feel bad for chopping this wire in half. All right, this hose is in my way, so it's coming off. Good enough. That's out of my way. And then, yeah, focus. We have plenty of meat on the connector to make a good crimp. Right, it's a bit cramped in here, but I can barely get the crimpers around the wire. Hopefully that's enough to strip it. There we go. That didn't do anything, so let's try it again. I was able to get the other one doing that same exact strategy. So, yeah. I'll get back to you in a second. This might need two hands. They feel attached. Those ones feel attached. Those ones better be attached to the actual harness. So, I'm going to run some 14 gauge wire between those. Crimp them with those crimpers. That should be good. Shit, that's like too close. I might not have enough. So you see, the crimper is too big. The heat shrink doesn't fit. Good enough. Sweet, now I can just give them a good little tugging, but they're in there. Right, I barely have enough space to fit my crimpers back here, let alone my hands around the handles hard enough to crimp the actual thing. So I've got a pair of clamps that we're just gonna squeeze down and then hope that that crimps it. Oh, that's pretty tight. Take it off, please. Thank you. And then that's on there pretty good. Yeah, we'll take it. All right, that should legit be good. Both of these they're nice and tight. I'll plug it in, turn it on, see if we can erase the code and if it comes back or not. Oh man, get in there. There we go. Sick. All right, I rescanned and cleared codes and engine light's off, so that's nice. Sweet, there we go. Now you can barely tell I was in there. All right, now that we've done that, I'm not giving my sister her keys back until she gives me $800.